ওকে, সো স্টার্ট করছি। বেসিক্যালি হোমওয়ার্ক, জাস্ট ওয়েট 1 মিনিট। বেসিক্যালি হোমওয়ার্কে যে 20খানা কোয়েশ্চেন্স ছিল সেগুলো সলভ করার ট্রাই করবো। ওকে, আজকে সো সব করব না, মানে কিছু তোমরা করবে, নিজেরা ট্রাই করবে, কিছু আমি সলভ করে দিচ্ছি। ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চেন্স 1 2 3 আমি সিএলে কপি করলাম। How many distinct arrangements can be formed using all the letters of the word statistics? Okay, so statistics say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 letters and কতগুলো repeated letter? S 1 2 3 times S, T 1 2 3 times T, then I 1 2 times I. So just solve it, you can get the answer. Okay, for the first one. Second one, in how many ways can 7 people be seated around a circular table if two particular people must not sit together? Okay, so for this type of question there are 7 peoples. So for circular arrangement, basically 7 minus 1 factorial. Okay, so 6 factorial হয়, বাট এখানে যে লজিকটা দিয়েছে, মানে যে কন্ডিশনটা দিয়েছে, যে there are two peoples who cannot sit together. So first you have to find if there are two peoples who always sit together, then what will be the arrangement? দেখো একটু বলে দিই, মানে বেসিক্যালি কি করতে হবে, 7 পিপল উইদাউট এনি কন্ডিশন যদি থাকতো তাহলে আনসার হতো 7 - 1 ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল। এইভাবে অ্যারেঞ্জ করতে পারো। দেখো এখানে অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট বলেছে না, particular people in how many ways 7 people seated together, হ্যাঁ অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট। অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট মিনস সাপোজ আমি যদি বলি এ বি সি, এটা একটা অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট, then B A C, this is another arrangement. Okay, though the all the letters are remain same, but this arrangement different. Okay, so এরকম সার্কুলার কনসেপ্টে কি -1 ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল হয়। সো 6 ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল হতো এটা আনসার হবে না, বাট রিজন কি, এখানে একটা কন্ডিশন দিয়েছে। এবার আমাকে কি করতে হবে, ইফ আই হ্যাভ টু ফাইন্ড ইফ টু পিপলস মাস্ট সিট টুগেদার, মানে যেই দুটো পিপলের কথা বলা হয়, সাপোজ বি অ্যান্ড সি, দে মাস্ট সিট টুগেদার, দেন হাউ মেনি অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্টস ক্যান বি পসিবল। তাহলে যখনই মাস্ট সিট টুগেদার বলবে তখন কি করবে, এই দুটোকে একটা ইউনিট হিসেবে, ওয়ান ইউনিট হিসেবে কনসিডার করতে হবে। ইউ হ্যাভ টু কনসিডার দিস টু পিপল আর দিস টু পিপল অ্যাজ এ ইউনিট। So then how many students persons are there? There are 6, but for the circular arrangement it should be 6 - 1 factorial. But remember one thing, they can also change their places, so answer should be multiplied by 2. So this arrangement মানে এইটা হচ্ছে without any condition 7 people sit together, and এখানে এইটা হচ্ছে in how many ways the particular two people sit together. সো এটাকে সাবস্ট্রাক্ট করলে যে রেজাল্টটা পাবে সেটাই তোমার আনসার। একটু ক্যালকুলেশন করে নেবে, 6 ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল মাইনাস 6 - 1, দ্যাট ইজ 5 ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল ইন্টু 2, মানে 6 ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল মেবি হাউ মাচ, ইট ইজ 720, অ্যান্ড 5 ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল ইন্টু 2 মানে কত হয়, 120 240। ওকে, সো সাবস্ট্রাক্ট করো যা আসবে, ইট শুড বি কত আসছে, 720 মাইনাস 240, একটু ক্যালকুলেশন, 480, 480। বাট এটা ইন্টু 2 হয়ে যাবে ফাইনাল আনসারে। এইটা হচ্ছে তোমার অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট, বাট এবার তোমাকে যদি রিপ্লেস মানে সুইচ করে দিই, মানে এ বি, বি এ অলসো অ্যানাদার, সো অলওয়েজ মাল্টিপ্লাইড উইথ 2, মনে রাখবে। সো 960। থার্ড ওয়ান, 480 ইন্টু টু করলে কত হয়? 960 তো হয় না, সরি। 480 ইন্টু টু করলে it is 480. 960. It should be 960. Yes. From the letters of the word assimilation, how many different words can be formed using all letters? Using all letters, এটা তো পারফেক্ট, আমি আর করছি না, তাহলে সেম স্ট্যাটিস্টিক্স এর মতনই হবে। So then I move into 4, question number 4. Just 1 minute, I'm copying from the 4, 5, 6. How many 5-digit numbers can be formed using digits 1 to 9 such that the numbers is divisible by 5? No repetition. No repetition মানে তুমি একটা ডিজিটকে একবার ইউজ করতে পারবে। মানে ফর কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 4, 5 digit নাম্বার বলেছে, সো 5 digit means we need to find the 5 places. Okay, 5 numbers from 1 to 9, any 5. But if it is divisible by 5, then what will be the possibilities? দেখো, ডিভিজিবিলিটি বাই 5 কনসেপ্টটা ভুলে যাও, আগে একটু ভেবে নাও যে দেয়ার আর 9 numbers. From the 9 numbers you have to choose any 5, and after choosing you can modify them or you can arrange them. That means what? 5, এটা পুরো এটা হচ্ছে তোমার পারমুটেশন কনসেপ্ট। মানে অ্যারেঞ্জ করছো, তারপর সরি, চয়েস করছো প্লাস অ্যারেঞ্জ করছো। কেন চয়েস করা মানে কি? ধরো তুমি 9, মানে বাই মিস্টেক 9C5 করলে, তার মানে কি সাপোজ 9C5 এর মধ্যে একটা চয়েস মেবি 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 হতে পারে। তাহলে এই যে নাম্বারটা জেনারেট হবে, দেখো 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, আমি যদি 4, 3, 5, 6, 7 করে দিই, তাহলে নাম্বার উইল বি মডিফাইড অর উইল বি চেঞ্জড। But the numbers that I'm I have chosen initially, they remain same. So basically what have to do, you have to do the permutation instead of combination. Okay, so এখানে একটা কনফিউশন থাকে, সবারই থাকে, যে কোন ম্যাথটা কম্বিনেশন হবে কোন ম্যাথটা পারমুটেশন হবে। So combination basically you are choosing something, and permutation basically after choosing you can arrange them. So 5, np5. So ultimately your answer should be না, এখানে np5 হবে না, because this np5, 9p5 stands for the without any condition, that is the divisibility by 5. But in case of divisibility by 5, what should I do? I have to fix one letter, that is the unit digit. What is the condition for divisibility rules of 5? It is the unit digit place must be 5 or 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 places. This place must be 0 or 5. But here you can see the numbers that are given is only 1 to 9. So there is no 0. So I have to fix here 5. So if I fix here, the 5 is already fixed at the unit digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 digit. For the 4 digit places, you actually finding the arrangements. So how many numbers you have? There are 8 numbers now, because 5 already chosen in the unit digit. So from the 8 numbers you have to permutate them, taking any 4, right? So 8p4 is your answer. So just solve it and you can get the answer. Okay, so 4 complete. Next 5. Fifth one, in how many ways can six boys and four girls be seated in a row such that no two girls sit together? No two girls sit together. Just 1 minute. দেখো, there are six boys. So boy one, boy two, boy three, boy four, boy five, and boy six. If I have six boys, then no two girls be seated together মানে কি? দেখো গার্লসের জন্য কোন প্লেসগুলো রয়েছে? মেবি 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. There are seven places where the four girls can be fitted, and these boys are, how many boys are there? There are six boys. So six boys means in they can arrange themselves using 6 factorial, মানে বয়েরটা আমি আগে বলছি। So if I consider only boys, then by the 6 factorial way you can arrange the total six boys. And in how many places are formed? If I arrange the six boys such a way that there will be a place blank in between them, then there will be confined 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 places. So there are seven places. So for among these seven places, in how many places we have to occupy? Any four, because four girls are there. So seven C four. This way you can choose any four among seven. After choice, what you have to do? You have to arrange these four girls also. That is the 4 factorial. So your answer should be 6 factorial into 7c4 into 4 factorial. Or sometimes you can directly write 6 factorial into 7p4, because 7c4 into 4 factorial basically the 7p4. And a combination, after doing the combination, you are taking the factorial of the lower number, basically the permutation. Na? So basically your answer is 6 factorial into 7p4 or 7c4 into 4 factorial. Okay, just solve it, you can find the answer. 5 is done. Then 6. A committee of 5 members is to be formed from 7 men and 5 women such that at least 3 women are included. Very, very important. At least concept. Question খুব আসে। A committee of 5 members need to be formed from 7 men, 5 women. At least 3 women are included. Okay. At least 3 women. দেখো এখানে অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট বলেনি, চয়েস বলেছে অনলি। তাহলে কম্বিনেশনের ম্যাথ হবে। The question number how much? It is 6, sorry. 6. আচ্ছা, কতজনের টিম? 5 জনের টিম, 7 জন মেন। তাহলে 5% can be divided at least 3 women. তাহলে 3 women plus 2 men হতে পারে। হতে পারে 4 women plus 1 men হতে পারে। হতে পারে 5 women প্লাস 0 men হতে পারে, কারণ এখানে কন্ডিশন কি দিয়েছে? অ্যাট লিস্ট 3 women. So if I go for this way, 3 women 2 men, so in how many way you can choose 3 women from 5? So you have to choose, that is combination. 5c3 multiplied by, why multiplication? Because actually you are not choosing only the woman, you are choosing for the men also. So after choosing for the woman, that is 5C3, you have to choose another 2% from the particular 7 men. Okay, so 7C2 also you have to write. So 5C3 into 7C2, just multiply it, you can find the result for the first case where you have chosen the 3 women and 2 men. And for the second one, 4 women. Similarly, you can write 5C4 into 7C1, just write it. You can find another one. And 5 women means you have to choose 5C5 into, and no need to write here because 0 men are chosen, so no need to write anything. So just solve it and add up. Why add? Because this is a case where either you can go for this way or this way or this way. Remember one concept. If I take the concept of and should be considered as a logical multiplication. Here you can find 3 women and 2 men. So it is and concept. And means you have to multiply the results, and after getting that particular result you can find that this is a concept or this is the option, or this is another option, or this is another option. So this or concept means addition. Remember, logical operation, multiplication when you are going for and addition for or. ঠিক আছে? Okay, so this is question number 6, and I take the another three, next three basically, 7, 8, 9. How many ways can the letters of word mathematics be arranged such that all the vowels always occur together? All the vowels always occur together. এখানে এটা তোমরা পারবে। এটা ট্রিকি কোশ্চেন, দেখো ট্রিকি ঠিক না, মানে অলরেডি আমি করে দিয়েছি। মানে তোমাকে প্রথমে কি করতে হবে, all the vowels occur together, মানে একসাথে থাকবে না। How many vowels are there? You can find 1, 2, 3, 4. That is A, E, A, I. এই চারটে ভাবেল আছে। And how many letters are there in the mathematics word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11, from the 11 letters, you have to find the combination where the particular 4 letters are always sit together. So for this case, remember this 4 letter considered as a one unit. একটা ইউনিট হিসেবে কনসিডার করবে, দিস ফোর লেটার্স আর কনসিডার অ্যাজ এ ওয়ান ইউনিট. So if I consider as a one unit, then how many numbers are effective numbers are there? It should be 11 minus 4 plus 1. That means how much? It is 8. So there are total 8 equivalent letters. Why 8 equivalent? Because again I am saying that the four vowels are there. So among these four, um, or all of these four are to sit together. That means you can find 11 minus 4. So but one unit should be added, that is plus 1, that is 8. So 8 factorial will be your answer, but remember one case, there are multiple repetitions are there. So m, how many m's are there? 2 m's, so you have to divide 2. And how many a are there? There are 2a, 2 a's are there. And next t, also 2 t's are there. Actually, one thing I have mistakenly written here too, because for the A you cannot take here, because A is considered as a unit now, so you have to consider separately. So just take, there are 2m, that's why I have written 2, and there are 2t, that's why I have written 2 here, and okay. So this is the combination, but remember one thing again, uh, this 4 unit can be arranged themselves. That means if I take these four letters, that is four vowels, as E, A, I, also it is possible if I take A, I, also it is possible I, A. So all of the possibilities are correct, because all for all of these cases you can see that the four vowels which are using here basically sit together. So these four vowels can also arrange themselves. Okay. So what will be your answer? So it should be multiplied by 4 factorial, but again it is observed that there are two ways, so you have to divide it 2 factorial also. So the complete solution will be 8 factorial by 8 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, whole multiplication with 4 factorial by 2 factorial. So just solve it, you can get the answer. Okay. So this is for question number 7. And now 8. In how many ways can 8 identical balls be distributed among 4 distinct boxes such that each box gets at least one ball? Each box gets at least one ball. Okay, that's a good question. Just 1 minute. 8 identical balls and 4 distinct boxes. So, what should be the possible combination of the number of balls to a particular box? That is, I am talking about question number 8. That is, box 1, box 2, box 3, and box 4. So if I place maximum number of ball in the first box, that is, how many boxes are there? It is 8 balls are there. It is 8. So 5, 1, 1, 1 should be possible. Next, 4, 2, 1, 1. Next, 3, 3, 1, 1. Next, 2, দেখো 2 4 আমি আর লিখবো না। Why? Because 4 2 already I have written, so 2 4 cannot be written. So 3 3 1 1, after 3 3 1 1, if I decrease again 2, then it should be not 4, it should be 3, because we have a combination 4 2 1 1. So you cannot write 2 4 1 1, because 2 4 1 1 and 4 2 1 1 are the same combination, and I am finding the different combinations possible. Okay, first you have to do the manually. That basically this is a time consuming math. It should be not attempting in the competitive based exam. Acha. So if I write 2 here, then you have to write 3, because 4 2 combination are already present. If I write 3, then you can make it 2 1 also. Now, এইবার if I consider again 2, is it possible to make another combination taking 2 here? So if I make 2 here, then 2 2 2 2, all 2 is possible, yes, 2 2 2 2. But if I make another 2, is it possible and write another combination? Mm, I think no. If I decrease it 1 1, then 3 and already 4 I have written, so 4 cannot write, 3 also cannot be written. uh, okay, so there is no combination. Okay, then if I make it was 1, if I make it as 1, then 1 4, yes we can write 4 5 6 7 8, 6 7 8. See, 1 4 2 1 and 1 4 2 1 are same. Basically you cannot write this combination because the second one basically lies and align with this combination, so you cannot write 1 4 2 1. So if I write 1 here, then if I write 4 3, if I place 3, then 4 and 2 2, that is 2 2 2 3 1, 2 2 3 1 2 2 3 1. I think there is no 2 3 1 4 7 8, no 2 2 3 1, right? You can write this one also. So now next one, 2 2 3 1. If I write another one, is it possible to take another combination? 1 2 2 2 2, no 4, no 5 also not possible. But if I write 4, then one another should be 2. No, okay, no possibilities are there. Okay, so going for the first one. From the first one, 5 1 1 1. So how many possible combinations? See, this 5 box, this 5 may be any of them, any of the 4, among these 4. So basically we can write 4c1 multiplied by, actually this combination can be arranged using 4c1 way. Why? Because you can see this 5 may be here, maybe here, maybe second box, maybe third box, maybe fourth box. So there are 4 combinations, so we can write just 4c1. This is the number of ways we can arrange. Remember, this is the number of ways we can arrange. Okay, so how many ways? 4. These 4 can be chosen among these 4. Again 4c1 multiplied by, if I choose a particular box as a 4, so you cannot take this box as 2, so for this case it is 3c1. Here it is 4c1 into again another 3, so it is 3c1. See, it is very very important. Again I am telling, um, basically we are taking what, this 4, how many possibilities are there? So this 4 may be arranged in first box, second box, third box, or fourth box. That is 4c1, and these 2 also can be arranged in 3c1, because one, if I take one box as a 4, then the remaining box should be 3. So in all the cases, there is a particular case where the 4 number of balls should be placed in a particular box. So there are the remaining part or remaining boxes should be 3. So for this 2, so 3c1 will be there. So 4c1 into 3c1, because this 1 1 basically the default case you cannot take, that is 2c1 1c1, you no need to write here basically. So this 2 in how many ways you can choose 2? 4c1 into how many ways you can write 3c1 into 2c1, because these 2. And here also you can write in how many ways all the boxes have 2. It is only one possibilities, because 2 2 2 2 is a unique possibilities. Whatever you can alter, it remains 2 2 2 2 always. So these 2 can be if I alter these 2 in second box, and this second 2 will be altered as a first box, so again it is 2 2 nah. So that's why is only one possibilities are there to get uh, all the boxes have 2 balls only, or 2 balls. And in this case 1 3 2 2, 1 3 2 2. See 1 3 2 2 already I have written, no need to, actually there is a mistake. 1322 already I have written. Where? You can find in this row 1322. Okay. So just calculate it. It is 4 plus it is 12. Again it is 12 and it is how much? It is 12 and 24 and it is 1. If I add 24, 24, 48, 50, 48, 52, 53, 53 maybe. But here it is 60. Actually, it is a trial and error type math. You have to think over it. If another combination is missed or not, is there any another combination which already missed? So it will be discussed, okay, by taking the more time. Okay, so it is not solved yet. How many six digit numbers can be formed using these without repetition and greater than? Okay, so here you can find this first one, that is the highest digit, highest place should be more than 2. It may be 345. Always it is 345. So six digit number 10 to 5. Okay, so the first one should be either 3 or 4 or 5. So the first letter can be chosen among 3. C1 multiplied by. So another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 may be any of them. Any of them. That means if I take 3C1 here, so these 5 maybe, if I choose 5 here, so 1 2 3 4 5, so there are 5 factorial possibilities. That means if I choose any of them, then the remaining number should be 5. So 3C1 into 5 factorial. Just solve it, you can get the answer. Okay, we have done question number 9 up to 9. So next question number 10. 10, 11, 12. In how many ways can 5 couples be seated around a table, round table, such that no couple sit together? আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, মানে প্রত্যেকটা for each person there is another person which cannot sit beside him or her. So for this case, it is very important actually to calculate in first. 5 couples be seated. Acha, in how many ways can 5 couples be seated around a round table such that no? Acha, 5 couples means how much? It is 10. 10 persons, na? Without any condition, 10 minus 1 factorial. That is 9 factorial will be your answer. But without any condition. But there is a condition. If I consider um, people, that is a single or two people is a unit, then it should be how much? It should be 5 unit, and for the round case it should be 5 minus 1 factorial. Your answer is 4 factorial. So see one thing, it is very very important. So without any condition it is 9 factorial, and without the particular condition where the couple always sit together, it is 4 factorial. So just subtract it, you get the answer. ঠিক আছে, এটাও ইজি ছিল। Okay, so next question number 11. From it at 10. Okay, From a group of six men, four men, in how many ways a team can be formed of five people? The selected such that the team has more men than women. এটা আমি করব না. Just 1 minute. আমি তো মানে অতটাও দেখতাম না, জানতাম না। ঠিক আছে, ধন্যবাদ। আমি পড়িনি। Okay, 11. Question number 11. You have to calculate by yourselves. Okay. এটা সেলফ ডুইং ম্যাথ, তুমি করবে, তোমরা করবে, এটা পারবে। হাউ মেনি ডিফারেন্ট নাম্বারস গ্রেটার দেন 5000 ক্যান বি ফর্মড ইউজিং দ্য ডিজিটস এত উইদাউট রিপিটিশন, এটাও অলসো। তাহলে এই যে সেগুলো ডাবল সার্কেল করছি সেগুলো তোমরা নিজেরা করবে। আই উইল নট হেল্প, আই উইল ডেফিনেটলি হেল্প আফটার your first try or first or second try. Okay, so 13, 14, 15. 13, 14, 15. In how many ways can nine people be arranged in a row of three particular persons? In a row of three particular persons must always sit together. Okay. In a row of if three particular persons, okay. Very easy. Nine persons are there, and three among these three always sit together. এটা try yourself first. How many ways can 10 identical pens be distributed among 4 students such that no students get more than 4 pens? It is also very easy. There are 10 pens, and among these 10 pens, you basically distribute, be distributed into 4 students. Oof, baba, mosquito. 10 identical pens you have. Identical. See, that means there is no possible combinations among of these pens. So distributed among four students that no students get more than four pen. তাহলে student 1, question number 14, I mean solve করে 1 2 3 4, four students. So 10 identical pen. So how many possible combinations are there? Simple. 10 pen. Without any condition, 10 pens can be distributed among four students. That means basically you have to take the trial method. That is 4 3 2 1. It is a case. Next, 4 4 तो are possible ना, ना possible. 4 2 2 8 2. Huh. There are two combinations having four pen to a particular student. I cannot confirm this is a first student, okay? This first, maybe second, maybe third, maybe fourth. But I am writing the combinations first. Similar math actually কোনটার মতন similar this type. Actually, it is also a time consuming, but it is more, it is easier. So if I consider these three here, then how many possibilities are there? So if I take three, then it should be 3 6 2 2. Otherwise, if I make it 2, then it should be right 4 1. So but already we have taken the combination as a first combination. Actually 3 3 2 2 is maybe a possibilities. So if I make 3 here, there is no other combinations are possible. So if I make it 2, if I make it 2, then 2, if I make it 2, 2 3, no such combination possible. So I think these three are only possible options. So this 4 can be find using 4c1. This 3 can be find using 3c1. This 2 can be find using 2c1, and 1 no need to write. Again 4 4c1. This 2 is 3c1. This 2 is 2c1, and another should be 2. So this 3 again 4c1, 3c1, and 2c1. So it is 4 into 3, 12 into 2, 24 for the first case. It is also remember that is 72. Okay. Okay. It is also a trial and error method. You have to solve it by taking more time. Maybe another possible combinations possible, but you have to think over it and then solve it. Okay. So I will discuss these two math in later. Is there any another way to solve? In how many ways can the letters of balloon be arranged so that no two L's are together? এটা পারবে, try it yourself. 16, 17. A box containing 4 red balls, 3 rubies. How many 4 balls can be selected such that at least one of each color is selected? আচ্ছা, এই অবধি থাকলো। নেক্সট নিউমেরিক্যালস গুলো আমি না হয় পরে সলভ করবো। আর দুই একটা তোমাদের দিলাম, ওগুলো করো। আর একটা দুটো অ্যান্সার মিললো না, ওকে।